Hi, guys.
So we had these 3 dolls and we couldn't find Dementor masks for them. So we decided, well, why don't we just try and make our own?
So it actually isn't very hard. We used tinfoil and we shaped it to the doll's face. Then we used Sharpie to color the eyes in. So then it kind of looks like you can see through it. But if you really wanted to, you could do this with like yourself. But you would just have to actually poke like holes through so you could see and like actually be able to breathe out of it. But it's very cheap and I think it looks pretty good.
So if you wanted to wear it, say, as a Halloween costume or cosplay, you could make it yourself instead of having to buy a super expensive one from, say, the parks. But I think these turned out super creepy in the end. And we needed them for a scene that we were going to do, and we needed Death Eaters. And I tried to find some online, but they don't exist in that size. So, oh, the other thing I really liked was that you can be as detailed as you want. For example, how Bellatrix Lestrange has that amazing mask, and then some of the others aren't as beautiful and artistically done. We were kind of, I don't know, I don't feel like we tried.
Yeah, but if you press too hard with the Sharpie, it will puncture through and then it'll color the doll, so be careful with that. I also didn't like how my mom did this and like wrapped the tinfoil around the doll's neck. I say only do like the actual face and then just use tape for the back. I think it looks better that way.
Agreed, that does look better. I didn't like it when I did the neck.
It made me really mad, so I restarted it.
But you could be as detailed and artistic as you wanted. Ours were just plain and simple because I just needed them for a scene. But it would be a great idea if you were going to do cosplay or like a Halloween costume. Or if you're just making a cast of dolls like we did for Harry Potter and setting them up.
Very fun, very fun.
I could see this as like a library display for Harry Potter around Halloween.
For sure. Yeah, and I had to like redo it like 25 times.
That's you trying to do it on your own face. So this was the outcome, and I thought they looked pretty good. Look, one of them lost a couple
That's
teeth.
my mom's.
Okay, that's the one with the neck. The other guy lost his teeth over there in the random Gryffindor.
And then those were mine because they're obviously more artistic.
Okay. And then we decided to add AI to them to just see what, it would look like if we did that.
And it was kind of scary. Like, I have nightmares.
It was pretty creepy. Oh, and we used the Scholastic book.
I think it was the Battle of Hogwarts.
As inspiration. But you can use anything online or whatnot. So this is when we made them come kind of alive with AI.
Really weird. And, like, their eyes, like, you can actually see eyes in them.
And this one you can. It looks like actual eyes cut out, which we did not do that. We just used Sharpie. And this one was where they were fighting. And then the last one, I think I had them laughing. And they turned almost into looking like humans.
The hair is so pretty.
So have fun and happy crafting.
Bye.
Bye.